Dear students, today we are going to discuss Fajan's rules. So these Fajan's rules are useful for predicting whether the given molecule is ionic molecule or covalent molecule. So in order to identify whether the molecule is ionic molecule or covalent molecule, we have to consider mainly four factors. The first one is size of the cation, and second one size of the anion, and third one charge on anion or cation, and finally the inert gas configuration of cation. So mainly we have to discuss these four things. So in order to predict whether the given molecule is either ionic molecule or covalent molecule, we have to consider these four factors. So the first one is size of the cation. If the size of the cation is more, then the molecule exhibits more ionic character. If the size of the cation is more, then the molecule will exhibit more ionic character. Suppose let us consider the first A group elements and their ions. So if you consider the first A group elements, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium and cesium. So all these exhibits +1 oxidation state. So that's why these forms unipositive ions. So Na plus, K plus, Rb plus and cesium plus. So all these are cations. So in case of cations, if the size is more, then it will exhibit more ionic character. So here we know along a group from top to bottom, the ionic radii gradually increases. That means the size of the lithium cation is less, whereas the size of the cesium cation is more. So in this way, from top to bottom, the ionic radii gradually increases. So as the ionic radii increases, that is size of the cation increases, the ionic character goes on increases. So the ionic character is more for cesium plus, that is cesium cation, whereas the ionic character is less for lithium plus ion. So it will be more ionic. So the order should be like this. It will be less ionic. So Li plus ion is less ionic, whereas cesium plus ion is more ionic. So as the size of the cation increases, the ionic character goes on increases. So in case of anions, if the size of the anion decreases, then the ionic character will be increased. If the size of the cation decreases, if the size of the anion decreases, then the ionic character increases. If the size of the anion decreases, then the ionic character decreases. So let us consider the anions. So suppose if you consider the halogen atoms, that is fluorine, chlorine, bromine and iodine. So all these exhibits -1 oxidation state. So F minus ion, Cl minus, Br minus and I minus ions. So these belongs to halogen family. So in this group also, from top to bottom, the atomic radius goes on increases. So the size of the anion is, this iodine anion is more and the size of the fluoride anion is less. So as the size goes on increases, the ionic character decreases. or as the size of the anion decreases, the ionic character increases. So here the size goes on increases from top to bottom, the size goes on increases. So the ionic character will goes on decreases. So that's why the order should be like this. As the as the size of the anion increases, here from left to right the size of the anion increases. From fluoride ion to iodide ion, the size of the anion goes on increases. So that's why the ionic character goes on decreases. So this will be less ionic and this will be more ionic. Okay. So as the size of the anion decreases, ionic character increases. The converse is also true, because as the size of the anion increases, the ionic character decreases. So here the size of the anion goes on increases from fluoride ion to iodide ion. So the size of the anion increases, that's why the ionic character goes on decreases. Clear? Next, the charge on anion or cation. As the charge on anion or cation decreases, the ionic character increases. So as the charge on anion or cation decreases, then the ionic character will be increased. Ionic character increases. So suppose if you consider the charge on ions, Na plus ion, Ca plus 2 ion and Al plus 3 ion. So from sodium to aluminum the charge goes on increases. If the charge on the cation or anion decreases, the ionic character will be increased. So here the charge is less here, so it will be more ionic. The charge will be less here, so it will be more ionic. So this is more ionic and this will be less ionic. So more ionic means Na plus greater than, Ca plus 2 greater than, Al plus 3. So this will be the order of decreasing ionic character. Suppose if you consider anions also. So in case of anions, if you consider the anions like Cl minus ion, SO4 minus 2 ion, PO4 minus 3 ion, chloride ion, sulfate ion, phosphate ion. So here the charge goes on increases. If the charge decreases, ionic character increases. So here less charge is there, so it will be more ionic. So here it is more ionic. And PO4 minus 3 is less ionic. So here less ionic means Cl minus greater than, SO4 minus 2 greater than, PO4 minus 3. So in this way, as the charge on anion or cation decreases, the ionic character goes on increases. So here you have to consider the converse of the statement is also true. That means if the charge of the anion or cation increases, the ionic character decreases. Clear? And next one, inert gas configuration of cation. So the cations with noble gas configuration or inert gas configuration will be more ionic. That means, for example, if you consider Na plus ion and Cu plus ions. So this Na plus ion means, if you consider sodium, that sodium atomic number is 11, Na plus means it has 10 electrons. That means it has noble gas configuration, neon noble gas configuration, whereas this copper atomic number 29, Cu plus means it has 28 electrons. That means it has completely filled configuration but not a noble gas element. Here it is a noble gas configuration, but this is not noble gas configuration. Cu plus does not have any noble gas configuration. So this is called noble gas configuration or inert gas configuration. noble gas configuration, and this is called pseudo noble gas configuration. Noble gas configuration, this is pseudo noble gas configuration. So the cation with inert gas configuration will possess ionic nature, whereas the cation with pseudo noble gas configuration possess covalent nature. So that's why Na plus ion forms ionic molecule, whereas Cu plus ion forms covalent molecules. So in this way, by considering the size of cation, anion and charges or noble gas configuration, we can predict whether it is ionic molecule or covalent molecule. Okay. Thank you. Like this video, share this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.